Let us start the session. So today we are going to start third session of chapter number 7, coordinate geometry. Today we are going to start the new section, that is section formula. Already we have completed the distance formula. Distance formula में एक section छूट गया था. कौन सा section? Circle related question. That we will complete when we will do the optional exercise question. क्योंकि उसमें वो एक question है. So whether my screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So consider any 2 points A and B and assume that P divides AB internally in the ratio M1 is to M2. So let this point is P and P divides AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. Now we are going to find the coordinates of this point P. एक formula we are going to derive, that formula is called section formula. So यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करेंगे, सबसे पहले A, P और B से we will draw the perpendicular lines. So draw AR, PS and BT perpendicular to the x-axis. First AR, then PS, next BT. So AR, PS, BT perpendicular lines draw कर दिए. Next is draw AQ and PC parallel to the x-axis. So first AQ, second PC. Okay. So construction is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now next, then by AA similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. Why? Because these two angles are corresponding angles and these two angles are 90 degree. This is clear to all of you?
Yes,
One
sir.
pair of corresponding angles is equals to 90 degree and these two angles is corresponding angles. Now, therefore, PA upon PB is equals to AQ upon PC is equals to PQ upon BC. Let it be question number 1. Why this ratio are equal?
Corresponding sides of similar triangle are proportional.
Right, very good. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. Now, AQ is equals to RS is equals to, अभी ध्यान से देखो यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक, wait, यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक, this is X, और यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक, this is X1. So what about this distance RS? X minus
X minus X1.
right? तो ये हो गया first वाला. Now the second one we are going to find PC. ध्यान से देखो, how will you find PC? यहाँ से यहाँ तक X है, this is X, and from here to here, this is X2. So what is PC? That is ST.
X2 minus X.
Right, X2 minus X1. Similarly, we will find PQ and BC. Okay, तो ध्यान से देखो, BC जो है, BC is Y2 and PS is Y1. So BC कितना हो जाएगा? This is Y only, not Y1. This is Y only. इसको एक मिनट फिर से कर लेते हैं. यहाँ से यहाँ तक Y2 है और यहाँ से यहाँ तक Y है, तो ये हो जाएगा Y2 minus Y. Right. Similarly, this is Y and this is Y1. So PQ हो जाएगा Y minus Y1. So PQ is Y minus Y1 and BC is Y2 minus Y. So this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
what is
Yes, sir.
what is PA upon BP? PA upon BP.
AQ by PC.
m1 by m2. क्लियर? देखो यहाँ पर हम लोग के पास AQ निकल गया, PC निकल गया, PQ is there with us, and BC is also there. What about PA upon BP? This is m1 upon m2. This is clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now we will substitute in equation number 1. ये पूरा का पूरा equation 1 में substitute करेंगे. So we'll get this one. ये clear है पूरा?
Yes, sir.
Okay. सबसे पहले हम लोग ये दोनों को equate करेंगे to get the value of x. Then we will equate these two. So we'll take first m1 upon m2 is equals to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. When we will do cross multiplication, after that when we simplify, we will get x is equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. And if we are going to take these two, अगर ये दोनों लेते हैं हम लोग, तो ये भी अगर हम लोग सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं तो बिल्कुल ऐसी सिमिलर फॉर्मूला मिलेगा y के लिए. So these two are called section formula. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll see one question. कैसे formula use करना है, that question. See, this one is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2 और ये m1 m2 है. तो पहले तो उसको लिख लिए हम लोग. x1 is 4, y1 is -3, x2 is 9 and y2 is 7 and ratio is 3:2. So m1 is 3, m2 is 2. ये क्लियर है सबको?
Yes, sir.
ओके. अभी फार्मूला हम लोग को याद नहीं है, मान के चलो वी आर नॉट एबल टू रिकलेक्ट द फार्मूला. सो उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, देखो ट्रिक, ये ऐसे क्रॉस में मल्टीप्लाई करना है. m1 x2 प्लस m2 x1 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके ऐड करना है. फिर से सुन लो, m1 x2 प्लस m2 x1 upon the sum of ratio, that is m1 plus m2. Right? Similarly for y also, क्रॉस करके ऐड करना है. m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon sum of the ratio. This is not the rule, only trick to remember. So first you write the formula. ऐसे करने से हम लोग को आंसर भी जल्दी आ जाएगा. देखो कैसे आएगा, देखो इसका वैल्यू चाहिए, सो वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई डायरेक्टली, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. 9 इंटू 3, 3 इंटू 9 कितना होगा? 27. देन 2 इंटू 4,
8.
ओके. 27 प्लस 8 कितना हो गया? 35. 35 upon sum of ratio, that is 3 plus 2.
5.
So you will get x is equals to
7.
7. So पहले तो ये लिख लिया हम लोग. Now next for y also, देखो ध्यान से, 21 प्लस -6 कितना हो जाएगा? 21 प्लस -6 15 upon 5 3. So x is equals to 7, y is equals to 3. This is the required point. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll see another questions. एक और एग्जाम्पल हम लोग देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट सेक्शन इज मिड पॉइंट फार्मूला. अगर m AB का मिड पॉइंट है, so the coordinate of m is given by x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula only, and this formula can be derived from the section formula. Right? Now based on this, let us see one example. Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segments joining the points A and B. So यहाँ पे x1 y1 ये है और x2 y2 ये है. ठीक है? And let m be the midpoint of AB. So formula क्या है? x is equals to Anish.
Sir, m1 x2 plus
नहीं. Wait. that is the section formula. We are going to find midpoint. So
Midpoint
x is
का-
equals to
x is equals to x2 plus x1 by 2 and y is equals to y2 plus y1 by 2.
okay, fine, or y1 plus y2 by 2 or x1 plus x2 by 2. So we'll write the formula first. Now we'll substitute. ये x1 है और ये x2 है. So पहले x1 -5 7 कितना हो जाएगा 2 by 2, आंसर इज 1. नाउ विल कैलकुलेट फॉर y. 4 plus -8 कितना हो रहा है?
Mi-
minus
minus 4.
-4 by 2
minus 2
Minus 2.
-2. So the midpoint of the line joining these 2 points is 1 -2. Clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we
Okay.
are going to go through the different types of questions in section formula. जैसे हम लोग distance formula में देखे थे. So first type is direct question. Direct question अभी first वाला जो example देखे थे हम लोग, ratio दिया था और coordinate निकालना था. That is the direct question. And second one is coordinates of points divides into 4 equal parts. This is the second type of question. And the third type of question, to find the coordinates of points of trisection. ये 3 trisection means 3 equal parts, and here this is 4 equal parts. Next type of question, to find the ratio if the point is given. Next type of question, to find the ratio if the point is on the x-axis or y-axis. 2 different type of question. One more, geometrical figure based questions. And the last one is midpoint formula based questions. अभी जो example देखे थे हम लोग. So geometrical figure based question में first one is centroid based questions, and the second one is parallelogram based questions, and the third one is circles based questions. So all these type of questions we'll see one by one with the help of example and exercise questions. Already we did this one, direct question कर चुके हैं और midpoint formula का एक question कर चुके हैं हम लोग. So we'll move towards one more example. This is also direct question. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4 minus 3, 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. जो हम लोग सेक्शन फॉर्मूला पढ़ रहे हैं वो सारे इंटरनल के लिए. इंटरनली डिवाइड कर रहा है जो पॉइंट है. एक्सटर्नली में क्या होगा वो 11th क्लास में पढ़ोगे, वहाँ पे नेगेटिव आ जाएगा. नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज x1 y1 एंड x2 y2? हेमंत,
Sir,
x1 y1
4 plus 8 whole square plus
wait, I'm not able to hear. Priyanshi, what is x1?
4 into 5
Arey,
No.
wait.
3.
I'm asking only x1 y1 x2 y2. I'm not asking about the formula.
x1 4 x2 8
Right?
y1 minus 3 y2 5.
Okay. Now Akifa, what is m1 m2?
Sir,
What is
M1
m1
is
m2 here?
sir, M1 is 3 and M2 is 1.
Very good. So now that we are going to write here x1 y1. ये जो फर्स्ट पॉइंट है वही लिखा हूँ मैं x1 y1. सेकेंड पॉइंट x2 y2 and the ratio is 3:1, that is m1 and m2. Now if you write in this order, writing formula becomes easy. कैसे? मैं इसे क्रॉस करके ऐड करूँगा m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by sum of ratio. Similarly for y, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This is clear how I am writing the formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अगर याद कर सकते हो तो well and good. If you are not able to remember, so you can write in this way. अगर ऐसा लिखोगे तो हम लोग आराम से फॉर्मूला लिख सकते हैं, राइट. सो नाउ x निकालना है. 3 into 8 24 plus 4 into 1
4
divided by 3 plus 1
4
4.
4
Now let us check for y. 3 into 5
15
एक काम करते हैं, इसको पूरा इरेज कर देते हैं. 3 into 5 is 15 and minus 3 into 1 minus 3 divided by 4. So 15 minus 3 कितना मिल रहा है? 12 by 4. 3. Now coming to the x, what we got? 24 plus 4. 24 24 plus 4 is 28 by 4.
7.
एक एक देख लेते हैं. We got x is equals to 7 and y is equals to 3. Therefore 7 3 is the required point. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are going to see one very important question. That question based on the coordinates of point of trisection. Trisection means 3 equal parts. Okay, 3 equal parts मतलब मैं एक ऐसी रफ डायग्राम बना रहा हूँ. ये मान लो पॉइंट लाइन है, इसमें 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में बना रहा हूँ. देखो, फर्स्ट पार्ट, सेकंड पार्ट, थर्ड पार्ट. ओके, सो अभी ये तो रफ था. So now let P and Q be the points of trisection of AB. That is, एक बार डायग्राम देख लो. AP is equals to PQ is equals to QB. A और B का coordinates दिया हुआ है. So how many equal parts are here?
3 equal parts.
3 equal parts. अभी अगर point P की बात करें, if you are talking about point P, the left side is 1 equal part and the right side is how many equal parts? 2. So for point P, the ratio will be 1:2. Now if we talk about Q, left side is 2 equal parts and right side is 1 equal part. So Q के लिए क्या ratio होगा?
2:1.
2:1. Right, fine. So therefore P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2. Therefore the coordinates of P, by applying the section formula R, we can find the coordinate of point P. तो point P हम लोग section formula से निकाल रहे हैं. Ratio is 1:2. Okay. So अभी x1 y1 बताओ और x2 y2 बताओ जल्दी.
Sir, x1 2, x2 minus 7 and y1 minus 2, y2 4.
Right. और m1
m1 1,
m2
2.
उसको मैं उसी ऑर्डर पे लिख रहा हूँ. देखो, x1 y1, this is first point 2 minus 2, this is second point minus 7 4 and m1 is 1 and m2 is 2. इस ऑर्डर में लिखने से मैं बता चुका हूँ ऑलरेडी. इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू राइट द फॉर्मूला. सी m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by the sum of ratio, that is m1 plus m2, and for y m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon sum of ratio, that is m1 plus m2. ओके, फॉर्मूला लिखने आ रहा है ना सबको?
Yes, sir.
ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x. ध्यान से देखो, 1 into minus 7 minus 7 plus 2 into 2 minus 7 plus 4
minus 3.
minus 3 divided by sum of ratio, that is 3 only,
minus 1.
minus 1. Okay, now y की तरफ आ जाओ. 1 into 4
4
plus minus 2 into 2,
minus 4.
so 4 plus minus 4
0
divided by 3 is also 0.
0.
Okay, so मैं देखो ध्यान से, this is x, this is y. So we got x is equals to minus 1 and y is equals to 0. सो यहाँ पे कोऑर्डिनेट लिख देते हैं. नाउ सी केयरफुली, Q इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ PB. ये समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Q is the midpoint of PB, and to find the coordinate of midpoint is very easy with respect to section formula. कुछ नहीं करना है, ये दोनों को ऐड करना है, डिवाइड बाय 2. दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन, एंड द सेकेंड वन ये दोनों को ऐड करना है, डिवाइड बाय 2. बट यू हैव टू फॉलो द स्टेप्स. सो फर्स्ट, Q is the midpoint of PB, so the coordinates of Q are, this is the formula, x is equals to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y is equals to y1 plus y2 by 2. Now substitute x1, x2, minus 1, minus 7, y1 by 2, 0, 4. ये कितना हो गया? minus 1 plus minus 7,
-8,
by 2, by 2,
-4,
0 plus 4,
4,
by 2.
2.
So we get x is equals to -4 and y is equals to 2. So दोनों point निकल गया. This is point P and this is point Q. Now we'll write the conclusion. Therefore, the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining A and B are first point -1, 0, and the second point -4, 2. You can write in short also. Hence the required points are -1, 0 and -4, 2. Whether this example is clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we are moving towards, we are going to start the exercise. First question. ये direct question है. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line joining -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. So what is x1, y1 and x2, y2?
x1 -1,
Shweta,
x2
Shweta.
4.
Shweta, I am audible to you. Pradulata,
Yes, sir.
what is x1, y1 and x2, y2?
X1 -1, x2 4, y1 7, y2 -3.
And Aditi, what is m1, m2?
Sir, M1 is 2 and M2 is 3.
Okay, fine. So अब हम लोग उसी ऑर्डर पे लिखेंगे जैसा मैंने बताया. x1 is -1, y1 is 7, x2 is 4 and y2 is -3, and m1 is to m2, that is already given 2:3. So now we are going to write the formula. मैं बार बार उसी मेथड से बता रहा हूँ. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, that is the formula for x, and formula for y, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon sum of ratio, that is m1 plus m2. So this is the formula. यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Okay. Now we
Yes.
are going to find the value of x. ध्यान से देखो. 2 into 4 कितना है?
8
8 plus -1 into 3.
-3
-3.
Right.
-3
8 minus 3 कितना होगा? 8 minus 3
5
5 by 5
1.
1. So we got the value of x, that is equals to 1. Next y निकालना है अब हम लोग को. तो ध्यान से देखो. 2 into -3
-6.
plus 7 into 3
21
minus 6 plus 21
15
15 divided by 5.
3 3
Right, minus 6 plus 21 is 15, by 5 is 3. So we got the point 1 and 3. Hence, the required point is 1, 3. This is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. Now let us move towards the question number 3. Second, find the coordinates of the points of trisection, अभी एक एग्जांपल किए थे हम लोग, of the line segment joining 4 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So we'll take 2 points PQ such that AP is equals to PQ is equals to QB, and therefore P divides, see the diagram, P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Already this we have seen. यहाँ पे 3 equal parts है. Point P के लिए left side में 1 equal part and the right side 2 equal parts. So the ratio for point P is 1:2. And what is the ratio for point Q?
2:1.
2:1.
2:1.
Okay, fine. Now what is x1, x2 and x1, y1 and x2, y2 here?
X1 4, X2 minus 2,
Minus 2.
Y1 minus 1, Y2 minus 3.
And what is m1, m2?
M1 is 1, M2 is 2.
Okay, so हम लोग उसी ऑर्डर में लिख दिए x1 y1, x2 y2 सेकेंड पॉइंट एंड द रेशियो m1 is to m2. फिर से फॉर्मूला हम लोग लिख रहे हैं m1 x2 प्लस m2 x1 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2. ओके, नेक्स्ट y का फॉर्मूला m1 y2 प्लस m2 y1 अपॉन सम ऑफ रेशियो दैट इज m1 प्लस m2. सो दोनों फॉर्मूला लिख लिए. फॉर्मूला लिखने आ रहा है ना सबको?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are going to find the value. First value 1 into minus 2,
Minus 2.
4 into minus 4 into 2 plus 4 into 2,
8.
8. And what is the sum of ratio?
3.
3. So हम लोग पहले x और y का वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट कर दें. 1 into minus 2 plus 2 into 4 upon 1 plus 2. y का 1 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 upon 1 plus 2. Now we are going to find the value. ये कितना हो गया? This value
6.
minus 2. Minus 2 plus 8 is 6. Final answer is 6. 6 by 3.
3. 2.
2.
2.
Okay. 1 into minus 3.
Minus 3.
2 into minus 1.
minus 2, minus
Sum is minus 5. Minus 5 upon
3.
3.
So we got x is equals to 2 and y is equals to minus 5 by 3. So यहाँ पे पॉइंट हम लोग लिख दिए 2 minus 5 by 3. Okay, hence point P is 2 minus 5 by 3. Now we have to find point Q. How will you find? How will you find point Q?
Midpoint.
Point.
Okay, देखो we have two method to find the coordinate of Q. You can take midpoint of PB and you can take the section formula again for Q. If you want to use section formula, so what is the ratio you have to take for Q?
2:1.
2:1. तो हम लोग एक काम करते हैं, दोनों मेथड से करके एक बार चेक करते हैं and you tell me which method is easy for you. Okay, so let us start with midpoint. So now Q is the midpoint of PB and the coordinates of Q are, the formula is, what is the formula? Anshuman,
Yes, sir.
what is the formula of midpoint formula?
Sir, x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2 and y is equal to y1 plus
y1 plus y2 by 2. Very good. Now x1 is 2 and x2 is minus 2, right? So 2 plus minus 2 we can substitute here. Same for y1 is minus 5 by 3 and y2 is minus 3. So थोड़ा substitute कर रहा हूँ मैं. Whether this substitution is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what you will get here?
0.
Zero.
0. 0 by 2 is
0.
Zero.
0 only. Okay.
0.
Now here, now we have to simplify. So यहाँ पे LCM लेंगे. देखो LCM जब लोगे तो -5 प्लस -9 by 3 मिलेगा. This step. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
एंड नेक्स्ट स्टेप में ये 3 जो है वो 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, 6 हो जाएगा डिनोमिनेटर में. सो व्हाट विल बी द न्यूमरेटर?
Minus 14.
-14. राइट. अब ये और सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं हम लोग. किससे किससे कैंसिल हो रहा है?
-7.
-7/3. Right. So we conclude that hence required points be 2 -5/3 and 0 -7/3. So यहाँ पे थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हुआ ना कैलकुलेशन में, because fractions are there. So let us see another method to find the coordinate q. Now what is the ratio for q?
2:1.
2:1. Okay. Now q also divides AB internally in the ratio 2:1. So coordinates of q are, अब q के लिए फिर वापस हम लोग x1 y1 और x2 y2 लिखेंगे. And what is the value of m1 m2? Aditi?
Sir, M1 is 2 and M2 is 1.
Okay. So we'll write the formula. We'll write the coordinates first. x1 y1, x2 y2 or m1 is to m2. Okay. Now write the formula. देखो इस क्वेश्चन में already we wrote this formula one time, so no need to write once again the formula in the same question. We can start directly cross multiply करके add कर सकते हो. I will tell you which step you can write directly. First I am going to write the formula once again. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by the sum of ratio, that is m1 plus m2. And the formula for y, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon the sum of ratio, that is m1 plus m2. So we got this formula. Now we are going to find the value. First start with x. 2 into -2, how much?
-4.
Plus 4 into 1
4.
divided by 2 plus 2. Okay. Now for y के लिए देखो 3 into -3, 2 into -3
-6.
plus
Minus
-1 into 1. Okay. So
-1.
पहले x निकाल लेते हैं. This is -4 and this is 4. So -4 plus 4 कितना हो जाएगा?
0.
0. So our coordinate is also 0. Next y. For y, see carefully. 2 into -3 plus 1 into -1. This will become -6 and this will become -1. So what you will get? -6 plus -1.
-7.
-7 upon 3.
3.
Clear? So the coordinates are 2 -5/3 and 0 -7/3. So whether this method is easy or the midpoint formula method is easy.
Section formula, sir.
हाँ, और यहाँ पे ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is not required because formula we wrote once in the question. So we can start directly from here. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
ये वाला पार्ट लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि फॉर्मूला ऑलरेडी हम लोग पिछले सेक्शन में लिख चुके हैं. So you exclude this part and think about this method and that method, midpoint formula. So how will you identify that whether you have to do midpoint formula or section formula? वो मैं बता रहा हूँ. देखो जब अगर जब P जो है, P में कोई भी फ्रैक्शन आ जाएगा तो midpoint formula यूज मत करो क्योंकि वहां पे x1 plus x2/2 y1 plus y2/2 थोड़ा दिक्कत होगा, दोनों में से कोई एक. राइट? क्योंकि I will show you the previous question. See, in this question, यहाँ पे -1 0 है और यहाँ पर -7 4 है. There no fraction is there, so we can easily add and divide by 2 for both x coordinate and y coordinates. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Whether the difference between these two questions are clear or not?
Yes, sir.
अगर पॉइंट P जो है, पॉइंट P में अगर फ्रैक्शन आ जाता है तो Q का कोऑर्डिनेट सेक्शन फॉर्मूला से निकालना है. नॉट कंपल्सरी, बट निकालोगे तो इजी होगा. और इफ यू गॉट पॉइंट P some integers, then you can go for this midpoint formula. The difference is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear है सबको?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the last question of today's session. Now let us move towards the next section, that is assignment questions. Assignment questions में ये 2 question direct questions हैं, and this is the question based on points of trisection. मैं अगेन बता रहा हूँ, पहले पॉइंट P निकालना है. P अगर इंटीजर्स में है तो मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला यूज करो. अगर P फ्रैक्शन में है, फ्रैक्शन मतलब रैशनल नंबर में है, बिकॉज नेगेटिव आएगा ना तो वी कांट से फ्रैक्शन. इन रैशनल नंबर में है तो वी कैन यूज सेक्शन फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ Q. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much. आज के क्लास में किसी को कोई डाउट तो नहीं है? After 10th C class, that is after 3:10, I have to go school, and after coming back I will upload in my channel and I will share the link. You can watch once again for better understanding.